vacuum kit. Now, I have their stick vacuum, which I really like, so I'm excited to see this. And you can see they also have the X2 kits for a limited time, so you get two free batteries when you buy select kits. But I want to go over this real quick because it is a newer tool. You're looking at the compact design of only 13/5/8 of an inch. So what I really like to see here, the performance up to 33 minutes of use from a single fully charged 2.0 battery, which their batteries on their chargers actually charge very quick. So that's nice. You got the powerful Makita built motor, delivers 46 CFM for use on a wide range of materials, which is nice. Only 3.7 pounds, not bad at all, and includes the 12-volt CXT Lithium-Ion 2AH battery, plus a charger and a flexible hose if you buy this in a kit. So that's super nice as well. All right, so let's dive into this a little bit more. So you got the features, the compact design, we already talked about that. Only 3.7 pounds, which is nice. This is good for cleaning cars. You know, if you're, I'll tell you what this would be great for is use on a CNC machine. I use that stick vac constantly on my CNC machine, but I think this would be even nicer because it's not as long. You got the 3-speed on and off push buttons for operator convenience down here. LED battery charge warning light, which is nice. On the vacuum indicates when the recharge battery is ready to go. The optimum design for car interior, there you go. We just talked about that. Includes both vacuum and blower attachments. So yes, it is a vacuum and a blower. Let's see. Battery protection circuit protects against overloading, over discharging, and overheating. So that is a good thing, especially out on those hot days. So it is an expanding 12-volt line that they're coming out with. They're looking at ergonomics. It's always a good word to see. 3-year limited warranty on the tool, battery, and charger. And, of course, only use the genuine Makita batteries and chargers. So that's pretty cool. Let's go down here. Power voltage at 12-volt. Continuous use, 33 minutes with the 2.0, so that's pretty nice. Airflow rate, and I'm not sure if that's on high. They said they had the 3 settings, but I'm guessing that they would probably say high. I'm not really sure. Airflow rate, 46 CFM. Here's your dimensions right here. And let's scroll up. We'll take a look at a couple of the pictures. If you go to shop online, they are not in stores as of yet. We're going to go to the 360 view, and we're going to see what we can pull up. That's just the battery. I don't want that. That's the charger as well over here. Their batteries charge really quick. So that's the one picture we had up. Here's another view for you. I don't think I can zoom in on this. Battery goes in the back over here. Looks like you got a little bit of a storage area for your hose. So that's pretty nice. You can also see all of these specs on the toolreviewzone.com page. I also put those up. And let's run a little bit slow out here today. Let's, there you go. So yeah, you do got the attachments. Here's the attachments over here. You can see you got the wands, you got the brushes, you got a little strap over there. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you get all these attachments. That's nice. There's a picture right here. Hopefully this slows up a little bit quicker. It's like AOL dial-up over here. So that sort of gives you a size comparison. If you put this in the back of your SUV, you're getting an idea. But again, not heavy. And by the way, the model number right here, BL1021B. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. I want to go down here to this picture here. If this ever freaking loads. And, you know, I'm just going to click on that now. Yeah, and it is bagless, so that is also nice. And here's the included nozzle. So the upholstery nozzle, the charger, flexible hose, the battery, floor mat nozzle, soft brush, crevice nozzle, blower attachment, and the tool bag. So, yeah, very cool. Not much to it, really. So that's a filter right there, I would assume. Let's scroll down here. Let me see if I can click on that. That's pretty awesome. I'll tell you what, that stick vac that I have, it does an excellent job. I use it constantly. Really happy with that. But I'm really excited to see how this comes out. So the battery number, that's the model number for the battery number. It looks like the battery number for the vacuum itself, my apologies, LC09A1. And it's new. So Makita coming out with a new vacuum. Very pleased with their stick vacuum. I can't imagine this not being as good. I think this would be great for my use anyway, not only around the shop, because I always make a mess. But the CNC, I think this would be awesome for that CNC, man. I think it would be great. Love to get my hands on something like this. Probably would, or probably will. We'll put a review up for you as soon as we can get our hands on one. But yeah, this is really nice. Got the Makita logo, you know, right there in the plastic. Got the hose, you got the blower on the one side, got the suction on the other. So very, very cool. I'm excited about this. So I wanted to share it with you. Like I said, it's hot off the presses. The press release was put on the toolreviewzone.com website. If you are a Makita fan, look out for this. It should be in stores here pretty soon. Again, if you go to shop online, they're not there yet. But the model number for this LC09A1, very cool. All right, if you like hearing about new tools coming out before they hit the stores, make sure you thumbs up, like that like button, and hit that bell notification, because YouTube, for some reason, doesn't send out notifications unless you smash the bell. So smash the bell. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. We'll be back with more tool reviews and info very quickly. Bye-bye.